everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're in week 2 of 75 Soft. We're doing a meal prep today. I'm excited to get back in the kitchen again this week, and honestly these videos are almost like accountability videos. They're helping me stay on track because the way I was like, do I need to meal prep today? Like, no, we need to stick to the plan, not the feeling. So what did we have on the menu for today? Honey garlic salmon bite bowls with rice, potato salad, oven baked chicken, pasta, and some mango chia seed pudding again that I'm gonna have for breakfast. I've been loving planning my meal preps because I get to look through all my saved recipes on TikTok and Instagram, and any recipe that I follow I will link in the description. If there's something that's not linked, it means I just kind of like figured it out and it was my own cooking, my own recipe, whatever's just in my brain. Seasoning the chicken, and now I'm working on the salmon. We are like an hour in and I feel like I've barely done anything. I don't know why I'm such a slow cooker, but I think as much as I try to find recipes that are quite simple, I do a lot of like prepping garlic. I'm about to start using jarlic. I know it's supposed to not taste as good. That would cut down my cook time. Like peeling the garlic alone is a good 10 minutes. After the salmon, we're just gonna do the sauce and the potatoes and the ravioli, and then we're done. So I'm gonna try to kick it into high gear, but I'm really excited to try this recipe. This is my first time trying a salmon bite recipe. Oh, there we go. And I like the idea that it's like bite-sized. Just added some garlic, butter, and then threw that sauce in. I'm gonna turn the heat up because I think that's gonna turn it into a glaze. Yeah. That's fire. That's gonna taste so good with the white rice, and I think I'm gonna cut up some cucumber. I am about to get ready to do the pasta. It's the last thing, and then the mango chia seed pudding. The pasta is really quick because it's those store-bought raviolis. I got a beef one, but this pasta, guys, it's so good. If there's one thing you try from this video, try this pasta. It's like the combination of flavors, Dijon mustard, balsamic glaze, very interesting, but you have to trust me, it's so good. So I think we've got like 20 more minutes. And I've been cleaning as we're going. Big tip, clean as you go when you're meal prepping. Never have downtime. If you're not doing something, there's something to be cleaned. Otherwise, you pay for it at the end of the cooking session. So let's get into the pasta sauce. Salad now. This is the way my mom makes it. It's very simple. You know, it's one of those less is more recipes where you just want the natural flavors to come through. Only potatoes, mayo, and sweet relish. And I'm telling you guys, this potato salad is so simple and so yummy. I think if you were to add some red, like chopped red onion, that would also be really yummy. And actually I have some green onion. I think I'm gonna add some green onion and a little bit of parsley onto this. Just salt. Put some green onion. My favorite hack, kitchen scissors for green onion. You can cut your pieces way smaller than this. I just love onions so much, so I love a good chunky piece in there. And I love how you can just customize this if you want more mayo, if you want more relish. I'm just gonna sprinkle a touch of parsley. That's gonna taste so good with the chicken. Oh my god. That's it for this week's food prep. This is everything I cooked for the week. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you next Sunday. Bye.